My name's Jake Cohen. I'm one of the founders of Step by Step BNB. We have created a fantastic Airbnb hosting course that will walk you through step by step how to create the best listing on Airbnb, and we'll pass on our message templates that we use for our guests so that you can communicate in the best ways to them. We'll also give you our recommended products and walk you through the best practices for being a host on Airbnb. The really cool thing is right now, since I'm an Airbnb ambassador, Airbnb has said that for the first 100 people who sign up for this course, they will pay the tuition. So this course will be 100% free to you. You'll have ongoing support through our Facebook group where we're going to have bi-weekly meetings so that you can ask all the questions that you're unsure of. If that sounds great to you, let's dive in. Let me show you a little bit more about what we're going to do in this course and see if it's the right fit for you.